Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and nothing comes out? Like your mind goes blank, your heart starts beating fast, and you just freeze.
Oh, wow, yes. That feeling. It hurts. You know the words, but at that moment, everything disappears. It feels like you are stuck inside your own mind.
Exactly. And then later you think, I knew this. Why didn't I say it?
And that regret stays with you the whole day. You keep thinking about that one moment again and again.
Hey everyone, welcome to the podcast. Today we are talking about something very real. Why speaking English feels so hard, even when you understand it, and how you can slowly break that fear, step by step, in real life.
Yes, and I just want to say you are not alone. If you feel shy, if you feel scared, it's okay. I felt the same for a long time, and sometimes I still do.
Same here. This is not about being perfect. This is about speaking, even when it feels uncomfortable.
Exactly. We are just two friends talking, and we want you to feel relaxed, like you're sitting with us.
Let me tell you something. The biggest problem is not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's fear.
Yes. Fear of making mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding not good enough.
Have you felt this before? Like you want to say something simple, but your brain says, no, don't speak.
Oh, yes. I remember one moment clearly. I was in a small shop and I wanted to ask for water. Just water. A simple word. But I stayed quiet and I left the shop without saying anything.
Wait, really? Just because of fear?
Yes. And later I felt so bad. I kept thinking, why didn't I just say, "Can I have water?"
That happens a lot. Let me share my story. I was in a group, and everyone was speaking English. I had an idea, a good idea, but I stayed silent
Why?
because I thought, what if I say it wrong? And guess what? Someone else said the same idea, and everyone liked it.
Oh, wow. That hurts.
Yeah, and I realized it's not about being perfect, it's about trying.
Let's do something with the audience. Pause and think about it. What is one moment when you wanted to speak but didn't?
Yes, think about it now. Feel that moment again. Now imagine if you just said one simple sentence.
Even a small one, like, "I think this is good," or "I like this idea."
That's it. Simple English. You don't need big words.
Here's the trick. Start small. Always small.
This is important. Listen carefully. Don't try to speak perfect English. Try to speak simple English.
Let's do a small role play. Imagine this. You meet someone new.
Okay, I'll go first. Hi, my name is Ryan. What's your name?
"Hi, Ryan. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
"I'm from Pakistan. And you?"
I'm from here too. See? That's it. Simple.
Now you try. Repeat after me. "Hi, my name is..."
Say it again. Slowly. Hi, my name is...
Good. Now next line. "Nice to meet you."
Again. Nice to meet you.
You see, speaking English is not magic. It's practice. Small practice.
And confidence grows slowly. Not in one day.
Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is.
Wow, that's powerful. Mistakes mean you are trying. Silence means you are stopping yourself.
Have you felt this before? You stay quiet just to avoid mistakes.
But that silence is actually stopping your growth.
Let's change one thing today. Just one thing.
Next time, when you feel scared, say one sentence. Just one.
Not perfect, just real.
Also, talk to yourself.
Yes, this helps a lot. Like when you're alone, say simple things.
For example, I am eating food. I am going outside.
It may feel funny, but it works.
And don't compare yourself with others.
Yes. Everyone learns at a different speed.
You are not late. You are just learning.
Okay, let's talk about everything again slowly. Today, we learned that fear is the biggest problem, not English itself.
That fear stops you from speaking, even when you know the words.
Yes, and we also talked about real moments when we stayed silent and later felt regret. That feeling, we don't want you to feel that again.
We said something very important. Start small. Simple sentences are enough.
And remember this line, mistakes are okay, silence is not.
That's true, because when you make mistakes, you are learning, you are moving forward.
But when you stay silent, you are staying in the same place.
We also practiced simple lines like, "Hi, my name is," and "Nice to meet you."
And we want you to use them in real life, even today, even with one person.
Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time.
Just speak, even if your voice shakes.
And I want to ask you something. What is your biggest fear in speaking English?
Yes, write it in the comments. Be honest. We really want to know.
And if this conversation helped you even a little bit, please like this video.
And subscribe, because we will keep doing this. Simple, real conversations to help you speak better.
We are with you in this journey.
You are not alone.
Just take one step today.
And keep going.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep speaking.